As a response to the outdated and failing geotubes, we created the organic shoreline system, and that was born out of Lee County because it's a lot easier to get through the permitting process in Lee County than riprap or shell or other aggregates and rocks. So the organic shoreline system is the quickest to get permitted, it's the most natural looking, it's simply comprised of plants and dirt essentially, and some turf reinforcement mat, which just gives it a natural soft look. And it does a really good job at holding in the top of the shoreline because the proper plants are planted in each part of the shoreline. And as it colonizes, it really fills up your entire shoreline. So it looks lush, it looks full, it allows native ducks and birds and fish to nest in it because they like a lot of this foliage to be able to nest in. Many of the littoral plants that we use have blooms on them, and the blooms actually attract butterflies and small hummingbirds and other wildlife. So again, you're essentially taking an eroded bare dirt shoreline and turning it into a lush green wetland or ecosystem that lives around your lake. And one of the biggest benefits that I tell people about the organic shoreline system is once your shoreline is totally full of these plants, they act as great filters to absorb the nitrogen and the phosphorus and the heavy metals and the contaminants that run off of everybody's yard and down into the lake. So your shoreline is your first line of defense of sending fresh water, clean water into your lake, because eventually that's going to make it out to the Gulf. So it creates healthy lakes, healthy canals, a healthier Gulf by having this natural, organic, lush green kind of filter, if you will, around your shoreline. So I think that that's one of the greatest benefits of that particular system.